Kucoin have really burned a lot of Terra Classic coin recently, pushing them up to one of the top Terra Classic burner. Now they are the 8th Terra Classic top burner, and they actually burned about 228,015,637 Terra Classic LUNC coins has been destroyed by Kucoin. It's amazing to see that Kucoin have really showed great support recently. Before they were ranked below top 20, right now they are ranked about the top 8, which means they've burned some coins recently, which must have pushed them up to Terra Classic top burner, top 8 burner. And I'm happy that an exchange like Kucoin definitely have burned a lot of coin, and because we hope more burning will be coming from Kucoin. And again, one thing I love about Kucoin is that it's taking part of it. Almost over 50 billion coins of Terra Classic has been staked on Kucoin, and it's amazing. I'm happy for this. Okay, so for them to have burned over 228 million coins destroyed by Kucoin, which is a lot of money if you convert that to money. I'm happy that Kucoin are now really giving all their best. I think if you want to mention top burner in terms of exchange that are well known, I mean, if you mention Binance, definitely we'll be mentioning Kucoin. So I wish other exchange can also show great support, just like what Kucoin are actually doing. It's not easy to destroy 228,015,637 LUNC coins. This is actually a lot of money, and I hope more coin to be destroyed. I hope to see more coin, more burning, and great support coming for Kucoin, coming from Kucoin. So let's wish that more exchange, just like Kucoin, Binance, will engage and be burning a lot of coins. I want to see Terra Classic monthly start burning over 20 to 40 or 50 billion coins on a monthly. I mean, that is what we hope for, because if that happens, within a short years, even a few years to come, we are going to see this coin hitting over 15,000% rise, or even 100,000% rise. Well, let's keep supporting Terra Classic, and I'm happy that Kucoin, they've really burned a lot of Terra Classic LUNC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.